The relentless rain is not just getting us all down, but it's also set to cost us more money. Insurance claims for people who have had damage because of the rain and the wind lately are far more expensive than early last year when Storm Éowyn hit the country. Then tiles and roofs were damaged, but this time we're getting so much water that it's getting into houses, and when it gets into a house, it ruins a ceiling or damages a floor. That's 3 times more expensive to repair than a roof repair. Mind you, a roof repair is expensive anyway. But from talking to claims managers, people like Edmund Walsh of Claims Management Services in Wicklow, the costs this year for the typical damage from the never-ending, it seems, rain we were getting has gone from about $2,000 to $3,000 last year to about $6,000 to $7,000 now. That's nearly 3 times the level of claims last year from Storm Éowyn. So the rain is not just getting in on us in a sense that it's getting us down, but it's getting into homes as well, and it's dangerous when it gets into homes. So this comes at a time when we're expecting more rain. So it's not just costing us in terms of our mental stability, it's also costing us in terms of this could end up meaning that insurance goes up, and many houses that are suffering from flood damage or water damage may not be able to get insurance cover. So we may need as a country to look at some kind of a levy for homeowners who can't get insurance because they're making claims to do with floods or water damage.